socks for my grandchildren. Santa Claus will put their Christmas presents here.
Hi! Hi, Grandma! What's this?
Well, these are 3 socks. One for you, and one for Brother Costas. Put them on the Christmas tree.
The Christmas tree? We put balls on the Christmas tree, not socks.
Stop it, Mary! Well, when I was a kid, I had to hang socks for my Christmas tree. For Santa Claus, we put the present in.
Oh, I see. Thanks, Grandma. Thanks a lot.
Well, this is for you, this is for you, and this is for Brother Costas. Give it to him.
Thanks, Grandma. I'll give Costas his sock.
Okay, bye children, Merry Christmas. Why don't you put your socks under the Christmas tree? Bye.
Hey girls, what are these socks?
They're just for the tree.
Get serious, Mary. These don't need socks, they don't have feet.
Don't be silly. We'll hang them on a tree.
Ah, now I understand. But don't we have balls to put on the Christmas tree? And the next time you call me silly, I'll pound you on the nose.
Okay, sorry. But Grandma made these socks for Santa Claus to put our present in when it comes at midnight. Do you understand now? Here's yours. Take it.
You are kidding me, right? What can you put in this little sock? In this sock, you can put in a ping pong ball. And I asked for Santa Claus to bring me a big ball.
Oh, come on, Costa. Santa Claus is too old to carry so big presents for everyone. He's only got a sleigh, not a lorry.
I won't listen to you, Mary. I'll take my boot, or better, my dad's big boot.
Even confused.
Okay. I'll put it here for Santa Claus to see. And because he knows that I am a very good boy, I'll put in this sock on top of it because he may also give me a small present too.
Oh, what's this? Anyway, do as you please, but this is not right.
Aha, who's talking? Leave me alone.
Okay, let's go to write Christmas cards. Bye, kids. See you again.
Bye, kids, and take care of my boot, okay?
Well,
And Costa's sock is in the boot. Now I see. He left the big boot to get a big present. Let's teach him a lesson. This big box is for men. And the other big box is for boys. I have but I don't put it under the tree. I put it out there. Please, kids, don't tell him anything. Okay? Oh, I must go now. I have many houses to visit. Goodbye and a happy new year.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We must cut the Christmas pudding!
Come on, Costas, wake up. We must cook the Christmas pudding. Let's go and see what Santa Claus brought us.
Okay, you can't do this.
Nice.
Stop drawing it, Mommy. Oh,
box! Santa Claus has brought our presents!
Oh, the sock is empty. The boot is empty too. Santa Claus hasn't brought me presents.
Don't cry! I can't see you like this. Santa Claus brings presents to everyone. Are you sure?
I've looked everywhere. Santa Claus probably saw the sock in the boot. He got hungry, didn't give me present.
I told you, didn't I? But you didn't believe me.
Go away. Just go away.
She like this. Oh, I've got an idea. Well, when Santa Claus came, the kids were here, so we know what happened. Why don't we ask them?
Good idea.
No,
Well,
wait.
kids, do you know if Santa Claus brought me a present or is he hungry?
Wait, you're angry.
Do you know?
Yes.
Yes. And where is it?
No.
Yeah.
No. Yes.
Oh. Wow. A big ball.
Wow.
Thank you, Santa Claus. You're very good.
See, Costas, you couldn't listen. Santa Claus is so good and he gives presents to everyone.
Okay, you're right again. Next time I won't ask a lot.
Let's say goodbye to the kids now. Let's cook a Christmas pudding.
The Christmas pudding? I read it all.
Costas!
Okay, I was kidding. I will only eat a little piece. I eat the cost.
No, I'll get it.
No, you won't.
see.
No, you won't. You took it last year, now it's my turn.
Okay, let's go to the seat. Bye, kids, and Merry Christmas.
Bye. And a happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Ανοίγτε φιδάκι. Πείτε κουμπάκι. Όχι, όχι, Κρίς, έλα πίσω. Δεν μου έκανες φιδάκι. Άνοιξε το πόρτα. Κάτσε, πώς θα πεις.
Θα το ανοίξω εγώ για να μην μαλώνετε.
Τώρα, ετοιμάζεται σύγκριση. Ο τελευταίος θα ξεκινάει από τη βιβλιοθήκη, όχι από εδώ πέρα. Λοιπόν, να κουμπάει εσάς. Ωραία. Η ομάδα D ακουμπάει το Θέμη, η ομάδα C ακουμπάει τον Ready. Ώστε να κουμπάμε. Φύγε ο άλλος, φύγε. Ω, Τζίμι πίσω ξανά. Πίσω, πίσω, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Λοιπόν, κάνουμε το εξής, γιατί στεναχωριέμαι να περιμένουν οι άλλοι. Πίσω από την Senior B μπαίνει η Senior D. Ομάδα κάντε μαζί τους. Και από εδώ η άλλη Senior B. Μας φτάσουν τα κουτάλια τώρα για να τα μας φτάσουν. Ξανά πίσω. Εντάξει, απλά μην το κρατάτε. Ready, steady, go!
Σούπισε!
Βασίλη, μπορείς να το φας. Επόμενος. Έλα, έλα. Μην τους εμποδίζετε. Ωραία, έλα. Πάντο, φύγε.
Γρήγορα.
Next. Next. Πίσω. Μου σταμάτησες στη μέση. Φύγε, Σιντε. Περίμενε. Ξανά, φύγε. Έτοιμος, φύγε τώρα. Προσέξτε, πίσω. Περίμενε να το σταματώ. Από εδώ. Μακριά. Μπράβο, μακριά θα σου δώσει καμιά. Περίμενε. Φύγε.
Έλα, ευλογημένε μου!
Λοιπόν, μακριά θα μακριά! Αν δεν έχετε ανοίξει, μην πέστε όλοι να τα μαζέψετε γιατί θα χτυπήσουμε. Εντάξει, ήρεμα. Πίσω. Όλα δικά του. Πίσω. Δώσ' του. Έτσι θα μένεις εμένα. Ποιο να μισείς το πρωί. Εμένα πήρε. Δώσ' του.
Αλήθεια, κύριε μου το λέτε αυτά.
Φύγτε από εδώ, φύγτε από πάνω. Να μην έρθει πάνω το ξύλο σας. Κρίξτε.
Παιδιά, ανοίξτε λίγο.
Senior B, άλλος. Εδώ. Φύγτε. Μπράβο. Senior Peter. Μακριά, περίμενε. Φύγε, Λουκά. βάλεις εσύ.